Are you a tired network marketer? Tired of not making money? Tired of the high costs to get started and ridiculous monthly auto ships? Tired of the false promises made by your uplines? Tired of begging your friends and family to join you? And tired of hosting business opportunity meetings at home just to realize that none of your guests ever show up? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world are searching for ways to earn extra income, but most don't have the financial resources or the networks to become truly successful. Get ready, because I have some great news. The game has finally changed. Now, I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm simply going to share with you 7 facts. Fact 1. I'm here to share with you an opportunity to finally make real money online. Fact 2. To get started, you'll need to invest at least $1. Fact 3. 80% of our members pay no more than $20 a month to stay in business. Fact 4. You do not, I repeat, you do not have to speak to your friends and family to build this business. Fact 5. This product will save you hundreds to thousands of dollars a year all by itself. Fact 6. You can start earning $100 to $2,000 or more a month in just 30 to 60 days if you follow our proven steps. And fact 7, we will give you access to all the marketing tools, lead generation tools, and trainings to be successful in a short period of time.
What if you had a business with a huge residual earning potential? And what if this business had an amazing support system that gave you all the tools you needed to succeed on a huge scale? Now, what if you had all this, plus a massive marketplace starving for your product? I present you my $20 travel business. In about 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to rake in well into the 6 figures. So, get ready. We're talking about a new way of earning while you travel that is literally shocking the world. My $20 travel business is about giving people like you and your family the luxurious lifestyle you deserve using our unique 2x10 unilevel force matrix pay plan. With my $20 travel business, the moment you come on board, you will have access to an exclusive members-only travel membership with amazing hotel deals. Save up to 75% on over 1 million rooms. Condo deals, save up to 90% on 40,000 condo vacation weeks. Condo vacations as low as $200 per week. You save $1,000. Discounts on car rentals. Discounts on cruises worldwide with every major cruise line and vacation deals that will literally blow your mind. With deals like this, you can finally take your family on that dream vacation. Think about what this means for you. You can now save and earn while you explore the world. No more struggling to find the right company, no more worrying about your financial future, just a rock-solid growth opportunity. And you can get started for the price of a large pizza. That's right, for only $20 a month, you will gain instant access to our great travel deals and position yourself to earn big. And by introducing just a couple of people, yours can be free. Plus, you can earn points towards a $3,000 value luxury 5-star vacation for an amazing experience you and your family will cherish for a lifetime. This is one of the simplest systems in the world, and yes, you can do it. Here's how it works. My $20 travel business has 3 great levels which you can join. $1 member level, $20 gold level, which is the recommended level to start. You get access to all the deals. $100 platinum level. This level qualifies you with points towards your $3,000 value 5-star luxury dream vacation. This simple structure is a 2x10 unilevel force matrix, where only 2 members can be positioned on your first level. Everyone you refer after your second member is forced down into your network, and you can still earn the direct referral commissions monthly. $1 members get to try the system and build their teams, and then auto-upgrade to the $20 gold level in 1 month. Then they get access to our amazing travel engine, saving up to 75% on hotels and condo vacations, as low as $200 per week all over the world. Level upgrades from the $20 gold to $100 platinum memberships are automated and come from commissions, not your card. When you join my $20 travel business and refer others to join on your personal website, you will receive 50% fast start commissions. One of the greatest features of our comp plan is regardless of what level your membership is, you can refer others on any level and earn 50% fast start commissions. For example, no matter what your level is, when you refer a platinum member for $100, you earn $50. When you refer a gold member for $20, you earn $10. And when you refer a member for $1, you earn 50 cents. Even if you're at the $20 gold level, when you refer a $100 platinum member, you will still earn $50. And if you are at the $1 member level and you refer a 100 platinum member, you still earn $50. Amazing, right? Let's dive into the monthly residual income aspect of the comp plan. Starting in the second month, you will earn 25% monthly for each personal direct referral you sign up. You will also earn 5% monthly for each member in your referral network up to 10 referral levels deep, no matter who refers them, as long as they are in your 2x10 organization. For example, remember, you only need 2 personally referred members to qualify for 100% of your potential commissions. Each member simply refers 2 each, and that's how your organization grows. So to recap, for a tiny $20 bill, you will be able to instantly save $100 or more per night on hotels in most every major city in the world. You will be able to save $1,000 or more on over 40,000 condo vacations. And you will receive your own website and incredible business where you can earn up to $2,000 to $10,000 monthly, all for the price of a large pizza. Join the thousands of members who are getting started now worldwide. Don't miss this one-of-a-kind, exclusive, amazing opportunity. Our travel engine is provided by a 23-year-old company with an A+ rating with the BBB and has already sold over 4 million memberships. So you know it's good, it's real, it works, and it can work for you too.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how the compensation plan works. Step 1. The Fast Start Bonus. Each time you personally enroll a member, you will earn 50% of their initial membership fee. So if someone you refer joins at the $1 member level, you will earn 50 cents. If someone you refer joins at the $20 gold level, you will earn $10. If someone you refer joins at the $100 platinum level, you will earn $50. There's no limit to the number of members you can personally refer. Step 2. The Direct Referral Monthly Residual Income. For every member you personally refer, you will earn 25% of their monthly subscription starting on month 2. So if you referred a $20 gold member, you will earn $5 a month starting on month 2. If you referred a $100 platinum member, you will earn $25 a month starting on month 2. Remember, there's no limit to the number of members you can personally refer. Step 3. The 2x10 Forced Matrix. Every member from level 1 through level 10 will earn you 5% of their monthly subscription. Each $20 gold member will earn you $1 a month in residual income. Each $100 platinum member will earn you $5 a month in residual income. Now let's take a look at this example of a 2x10 matrix, assuming everyone is a gold member. The first 2 members that are placed in your business will automatically be positioned into your first level, earning you 5% of their monthly subscription. Level 2 of your matrix fills up when you refer more people into your business, or the existing members refer people into the business, or if the members positioned above you refer people into the business. Regardless of how members end up in your matrix, you will earn 5% of their monthly subscription. Level 3 through 10 fill up the exact same way they did on levels 1 and 2. As your matrix fills up, your monthly residual income automatically rises. If you're like us, ready to build a worldwide business working smarter, not harder, then join the Paid by Travel team and get access to our proven turnkey system. If you still have questions, you can send me a text and I'll be more than happy to help.
Yeah.